This is Dead Curious, where real police footage meets unbelievable true stories. What you're about to see is real, but how does it end? You won't believe it. In moments, he sealed his own fate and that of his friend.
Stop! Stop!
It was 2019 in Chicago when police pulled over a stolen Chrysler. Suddenly, it took off.
Chrysler.
There we go, taking off. Go ahead.
734.
Last play we ran. 734, we got a vehicle taking off from us eastbound from 71st to Peoria. The last play we ran. It's going to be a Chrysler 300.
734, you're eastbound from Peoria and 71st. And what's the plate?
It's going to be the last play we ran.
Last plate is 742-4618. It comes back to a 2015 Chrysler.
Okay, what's your location now?
The stolen Chrysler tore down the road until the driver lost control, slamming into a Mitsubishi and sending it flipping through the air.
Turn on 730, go ahead.
Oh, shit. Stop. Slow down.
Got it.
34, what you guys wanted for?
He just crashed 71 Sugar Squad.
734, we need an ambulance, quick.
Oh, shit.
Okay, 71 in Parnell, is there a crash? What's going on?
Jason Yanzi, just 23 years old, was thrown from the stolen car, killed instantly on impact. But the true horror came seconds later, when the driver realized he'd just taken his best friend's life.
Oh, damn, bro. Hey.
Stop.
Get handcuffs. My homie, bro.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Look at him, bro. Hey, cuff him in front. I can't see this. Get the get me away from this.
Relax.
Get me away from this. Get me away from this, please. Get me away from this.
The officer agreed to move the suspect away from his friend's body, but it wasn't enough to snap him out of shock.
Okay, make sure you're okay.
Are you okay? Yeah,
Make sure
relax.
they're okay.
Look at me.
Good.
Okay.
I'm great.
You a little drunk?
No, I'm not drunk. Never drunk.
Relax. Okay?
35, one more
Oh,
Hey, stop looking. Okay, stop. Okay, don't look at them. Okay? Don't look at them. Okay? I'm gonna stop. Yo, stop. Okay? Relax. We got an ambulance. Please, we got an ambulance, okay?
call his mama. Call.
Okay,
Call
I will.
Call somebody, please. Call somebody, please. I don't need help.
I know.
I don't
Hey,
need help.
ambulance is coming.
I don't need help.
Do you hear them? Ambulance is coming.
I don't need
Relax, okay? Relax. Stay in here.
I don't need help. Oh my God, bro. He got it. He dead.
Relax.
Look at him. Help him.
Stop. Sit down.
Help him, please.
Stop. Relax.
This terrible course of events left 3 people fighting for their lives, with 2 more rushed to the hospital in serious condition. That was just one of the disturbing moments captured on real police footage. If you want more true stories like this, hit subscribe and check out the next case waiting for you right now. You've been watching Dead Curious.